So we as new parents know that babies, as like small and cute as they are, literally have a ton of mucus. So whether your little one simply needs a nose clearing or just has like a little baby cold and flu, here are two simple, natural tips to help your baby feel better. So to clear your baby's nasal passages, meet the baby nose plunger right here. Every parent's best friend. Now, you can buy the manual one with the straw and risk literally like slurping up your baby's mucus, or you can just go for the big guns and like buy the battery powered one. The choice is literally up to you. Now, when you combine this powerful, nasal plunger with saline or salt water sprayed directly into your child's nostrils before plunging, believe me, any mucus in those little passages are going to be completely annihilated. Now, for saline, you can either purchase it at the store. Um, I would just, look at the ingredients and ensure that it is actually just salt water. Or you can simply mix half a teaspoon of sea salt into 1 cup of just warm water and allow it to dissolve. And once it's room temperature, there you go, it's perfect. Now, another quick natural tip to help clear passages is to allow your bathroom to steam up. Once it's steamy, bring your baby in for a few minutes to breathe in some of the steam in the air and simply just shut the bathroom door. Now, when you're transitioning from a steamy bathroom into your living room or dining room or wherever you're going, just ensure that your baby is covered from head to toe, even just with a towel. The difference in temperature might be a bit of an issue for them and they may actually get sicker. Now, a good humidifier is also a nice addition to the bedroom, to help with breathing. Now, for toddlers, there are literally tons of medications out there whose ingredients I dare not mention because they are literally scary. Now, if you must administer medication, sambucol or black elderberry is a great alternative to many of the over-the-counter drugs, as it is considered a more natural option. So I hope you enjoyed just these simple tips and tricks. They actually do help and are pretty amazing. So yeah, all the best to you and your little one.